Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is the December mini mixed media tutorial. You'll receive what is pictured as well as a stencil and a frame, a chipboard frame. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want to figure out where to do my stenciling at. So I like to kind of set up where the focal point of my project is going to be, and then I'm going to lay my stencil down. You will also be receiving an adhesive stencil with your kit, and you'll just stick it down and you can apply the paste. The paste that we're doing this month is our new sky blue mixed media paste. I absolutely love the color of this paste. It's kind of a matte color, but it does have just a little bit of shine to it, and I just absolutely love it. So basically what I'm doing is just going from one side to the other with the paste, and then I'm going to go up on the edge. I just want it to run basically from one complete edge to the other. And I'm putting my stick there wanting to see how tall it's going to be, because I want my stencil to go up to the height of the stick. So I'm just adding a little bit more texture paste, just trying to finish it off. And I think that'll look good. So I'm going to set that aside to dry, and I'm going to also apply the texture paste to the chipboard frame. So I've let the texture paste dry, and I'm basically going to glue down the components of my project. So I'm going to start with the sticks. I just absolutely love these sticks. They've got white on them. Some of them have like, a little bit of fake snow on it. So it really just looks very wintry to me. So I really when I saw these sticks, I thought, these will look really good with the projects this month. We're not really doing Christmas theme, but, I wanted to do a nice winter theme. And so I'm just kind of figuring out where to put the sticks at. And, we'll be gluing them down. So I'm going to start gluing everything down. I'm still trying to figure out what to put in the photo frame at this point. I'm thinking maybe some kind of an old black and white photo, but I'm just going to go ahead and glue everything else down, and then I'll figure out that part of it. So I had these old postcards, and I made a copy of it onto some cardstock, and made a circle with the inside of the chipboard frame. And so I'm applying glue around the edges, and I'm just going to tuck it in behind the frame here. And I just absolutely love this picture. These were some friends of my grandmother, and every year they drew their own Christmas card and sent it out to their friends, including my grandmother. So I have these postcards. I need to do a video share of them. I have these postcards that were from 1939 to 1970. Are the years. They might have done more years than this, I don't know, but those are the years that I have. And some of them are comical. I just really love them. And some of them even have handwritten notes on the back. And so it's very, very interesting. So I'm just taking the Blue Lagoon wax paste and just going around the frame. Just want to add, some extra shimmer to the frame itself just to make it pop. And then I thought I would take a little bit of the wax paste, just kind of go a little bit in the background so that it adds an additional element. It's not just the paste, but it, got a little extra something going on back there. And I really like how the project has turned out. I'm going to add a little bit more wax paste, and that'll be it for this project. These are so fun to do. They're mini mixed media kits, so they're pretty simple and quick. A great way to make just a simple piece of decor, for your house or a gift for a friend. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much.